Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do the basic installation of Next.js in your local machine. So before starting, let's read about what is Next.js. Okay, so Next.js is a React framework which is used for building full stack web applications. Okay, and many guys get a wrong idea about React and Next.js. Actually, both are not same. They are a little bit similar, but not exactly the same. Okay, so let's read about the difference about this React and Next.js. So React is a JavaScript library and Next.js is an open source web framework, okay, created by Vercel. Okay, so it is used to build fast interactive mobile and web applications. It is open source and reusable component based front end library of JavaScript. Okay, and it is combination of HTML and JavaScript. React supports client-side rendering, which is insufficient for creating high performance applications. Okay, on the other hand, due to server-side rendering and static application, Next.js applications are incredibly speedy. Okay, so now let's go to the installation part. So first, we have to run this command npx create next app at the latest. Okay, so let me copy this command. Okay, go to your folder. Okay, here just type cmd. Okay, and now here inside this cd next. So here let's run this command. Okay, let's run this command. So what is your project name? Okay, so let's name it as a setup. Okay, setup underscore project. Okay, this is the name of my project. Okay, so would you like to use TypeScript? So here just type enter. Yes, yes, yes. Tailwind says yes. Okay, just press enter. Okay, so now it is installing a few dependencies. Just wait for some time. Okay, so meanwhile let's see here. So on installation you will see the following prompts. Okay, so this is done, this step is done. After this prompts, create next app will create a folder with your project name. Okay, what is my project name? Setup underscore project, right? This was a project name, setup underscore project. Okay, so it is going to create a folder. Okay, going to create a folder with your project name and install the required dependencies. Okay, so okay, this is done, and these are the manual installations. So okay, if we need to do the manual installation. Okay, so next is Next.js uses the file system routing, which means the routes in your application are determined by how you structure your file. Okay, so there is one app directory. Okay, for new applications we recommend using the app router. Okay, so there is going to be one app directory. Okay, so inside this app directory there are there are folders like layout.tsx. Okay, with the required html and body tags. Okay, so let's see, is it done? Yes, it is done. Okay, so now here what is my uh, this project name? Setup underscore project, right? Setup underscore project. Okay, so now I'm inside it. So here just write code space dot. Okay, so it is going to open the Visual Studio Code for me. Okay, so now I'm inside this Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here this is my folder structure, right? So here this is my app, this is my public folder. Okay, so here there is one page layout.tsx. Okay, so here I'm just going here and I'm just going to copy the content, okay, this of this app layout.typescript file. Okay, I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, this is done, and I'm going to do this page.tsx. Okay, and I'm going to just copy the content and run this here. Okay, paste it. So now first let's run the project. So for running the project we are going to just write npm run dev. Okay, so this is going to run my project. So now see, it is going to run in this server localhost 3000. So let's copy this url, let's go here and run this. Okay, so you can see this message now, hello Next.js. Okay, so see here. Okay, so see here, uh, instead of next.js, if I write here hello, welcome to my new next.js project. Okay, so here I haven't saved anything yet. Okay, I haven't saved it. Okay, so you see there is no change in this message, right? So now as soon as I save it, you will see I saved it, and see here, welcome to my new Next.js project. Okay, so as soon as I save it, this message is reflected, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand. So this is our first video on Next.js. Okay, so in the upcoming videos I will create more tutorials related to Next.js. Okay, and we are also going to implement few other technologies like MongoDB, Node.js. Okay, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.